still the 22nd of May. This is my cutting table I just bought. I need to kind of rebuild it just a little bit, but I needed to cut a circle out of a piece of 1/8 inch plate I got. Got one of my circle cutting attachments hooked up to my torch. Handy. I like it. Like I said, I need to do a rebuild on it. I rotated the 1/4 by 3 inch slats, so I got a good surface pointing up. But it still needs a little bit of work, but it did what I needed to do today. What I need that circle for is I'm going to condemn this drain right here, and what I do is pull the grate out and then silicone in with a high quality silicone. Those, after I paint them, the blank. You turn this noise down. We don't get a copyright violation. And silicone will seal it, and the paint keep it from rusting. And then it's a condemned drain, good to go. That'll take just over about 1.5 bags of 80-pound Sakrete, by the way. And I was looking at my fuel cap on my Yanmar. I had it red. I didn't like that, so I painted it black. And I went ahead and touched up my steering column there. Had the original black factory paint, so I just went back for black. Figured out what this light is down here. It's kind of stupid. It tells you your headlights are on. Whatever. Still think that red one is supposed to be for the PTO, but I can't make it work, and I'm not going to worry with it. I know when the PTO is going. So, if you want to, we can sit here and watch paint dry, or we'll call this one done. That's all for this one. Thank you.